So, Chris,
Yes.
you've been in the print industry a long time. You've been in the communication industry. We've played
Yes.
this game together a lot. So I want to show you something, and I want you to kind of react to it.
Okay.
So, have you heard of you know what a magazine is, right?
Sure.
Have you heard of custom magazines?
Yes.
Have you heard of targeted magazines where they're segmented, not really personalized to Chris, but just sort of targeted to you?
No.
Okay, so it's a new thing that people are doing. So if you got a magazine, so here's a magazine. This one's from France. So this one's targeted. So use your high school French.
Yes.
This is a magazine
Visual
that's
communication. Okay.
visual communication. So this one's just for visual communicators, right? So if I said you can have a magazine that's just for visual communicators, is that, and you're a visual communicator, you think that's interesting?
That is actually.
Right? Okay, so this is from a marketing association, but they have a lot of people in the association that are not visual communicators, right? So
That's
then how do
tricky.
we talk to them?
Yes.
All right. So what if I said you could have that same magazine, but now it's for an agency person?
Interesting. Now it's the same magazine. How much of the content's the same?
Well, notice the covers are totally different.
Saw that. Yeah, you've got a complete different editorial remarks.
Yeah, right. Okay. So now, okay, one more group. Now I have marketing operations, and they get a different one.
Wow.
Okay. So this is all in the same month. This is all part of the same print run.
Really?
So you know how we do transaction documents where everybody gets their own trans promo message?
Yeah.
These guys are all getting their own content in the magazine.
Because in effect, it's each its own transpromo message.
It's basically, but actually the content is identical in all three. It's just sorted differently based on your profile.
Ah, so you do it one big thing, and then the profile separates out the data.
Yeah. Now, if you got that in the mail and you were a subscriber, print quality okay?
Yeah, I mean, it's not glossy, but that's okay because you think of it as recycled or low cost.
And it's
or
an association.
Yeah,
kind of-
and low environmental impact. Good color.
So if you got that in the mail and you were a subscriber, you wouldn't immediately call and cancel your subscription.
No,
And
not too much advertising.
not too much advertising. But actually, I'll point out that the ad on the back of each edition is different. Because it's targeted to the kind of...
the different users. Yeah, I was going to say, here's the communicator, and they don't need to have the really
Exactly.
frightening big machine.
Yeah, right. So if you had a customer you were working with and they were producing not just transaction but also marketing material, this is an option.
That would be very interesting.
Nifty, cool. Well, thank you for playing Pop Quiz with us.
Print Pop Quiz.
Print Pop Quiz. And
that's
this was Print Pop Quiz.
Thank you.
And our magazine is Signalétique and it's produced by the nice people at Easy Print in France.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.